Hey guys, Holly here with Mischief Maker, and although I'm on the East Coast right now, I have so many friends who are making the massive trip across country to the West Coast for some epic wheeling. They all keep asking me, what's that one trail that you did that was really cool, that was in that video that we talked about forever? And it just so happens that Onyx Offroad makes it really easy for me to share my tracked trails with my friends and family, and this is how you do it. It is simple. You just open up your app. Step one. Go to my content at the bottom right here in the middle. You're gonna slide that up. And I have tracks right here. I have 30 of them in there in that file. And the one trail that people always ask me about is one called Faulty Towers in Sand Hollow. Now they ask me about it because there are 3 different trails that kind of all intertwine, so it's really hard to stay on the right trail. Most of the time people end up on one or the other, but not with Onyx Offroad. Because I have tracked exactly where I went, I can send my friends on the entire trail, which is really cool. So we're gonna hit Faulty Towers right here. There's a share button right at the bottom here. Share item. We're gonna text our friend right here. We're gonna send that, and there we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it shows them exactly where we went, how long it took, the distance, the speed that I took, and the elevation. Really cool and really simple. So guys, when you're out on the trails, just remember to hit that track and go button and track your trails so that you can share them with friends and family.